In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number. By following along, you'll have everything you need in just 5 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, setting up your accountant with Access, or just need the information for your records, knowing where to find your QuickBooks license number can save you time. To start, open up QuickBooks on your computer. If you already have it installed, locate the QuickBooks application icon and give it a click to open up the program. This is your launchpad to accessing all the financial data and tools that QuickBooks provides. Once you're in the QuickBooks program, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click that sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you'll be entering your personal credentials. Next, you'll need to type in your email and password. Be sure you have your correct login information ready. If you're someone who often forgets passwords, a tip is to have a password manager app. It makes this step easy and quick. After entering your details, proceed by signing in. If everything is correct, you'll be directed to the main interface of your QuickBooks account. Your dashboard is now accessible and it's where all the magic happens. At this point, your task is to navigate over to the settings menu. Clicking on the link at the top of your screen should direct you to the settings interface. It's a crucial hub for tailoring your QuickBooks experience to suit your needs, including managing subscriptions, payroll, and other account settings. Within settings, you're now going to look for the option labeled additional info. It should be fairly visible and easy to spot. Once you find this, click on it to reveal more detailed information about your QuickBooks account and license. Inside additional info, you'll find various bits of data related to your account, including the all-important company ID. This is the key piece of information required. It serves as your license number. Jot down your company ID in a secure place. It's always helpful to have this number readily available if you need to reference it in future conversations with QuickBooks support or to manage your account. The process directly ties into the broader approach of keeping your financial management tools organized and accessible. It helps not only in troubleshooting but as a proactive step in managing your financial software. Remember, maintaining records, whether print or digital, of your software's licensing details is a solid practice. Once you have recorded your company ID, the last step in this journey is to confirm your action. An OK button will usually appear at the bottom of this screen. Simply click OK to close out of that section. You'll be returned to the main settings area after this action, confirming that you've secured the information needed without altering any detail by mistake. With just a few clicks and minimal time investment, you now have your QuickBooks license number securely noted. This straightforward process enhances your efficiency and arms you with critical information without any fuss. In our fast-paced digital world, storing such crucial information efficiently underpins smooth business operations. It demonstrates attention to detail and preparedness, key traits that can elevate your administrative tasks from ordinary to exemplary. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now feeling confident in managing your QuickBooks account. If you have further questions or need additional help with QuickBooks, feel free to explore other resources or tutorials. Have a great day and happy accounting.